Bye.
Hey everyone, and welcome to the Kia Beauty channel. Today we did some Bantu knots, so if you want to see how I achieved this look, please keep on watching. So as you guys can see, I've already pre-sectioned my hair off camera into 4 sections. So I'm just gonna take this first section and get it out the way. I was listening to music, so if you guys see my lips moving, I'm just singing along to some tunes. You know how you girls do when you're getting your hair done or you're doing your hair and you're just in that relaxed setting. So I'm using the olive oil today because for me it's a big must. I have a dry scalp, and so I'm always using something that's very moisturizing. I've been using the olive oil since I was a kid and it's worked for me. I don't know if it works for everyone, but it works for my preference. So I'm just applying a little bit of this on my hair, especially the root, because that's where it's going to be the most exposed. As you guys can see, I started off my subsections in the back. Some people start from the front, some people start from the back. It's really just a personal preference. So I started using this eco styling gel not too long ago. I'm not a big person on gel, but I did use a little bit for the roots just to like slick them down a little bit so they're not everywhere. Now with the eco gel, they have multiple different kinds. I've tried the green one, which I know a lot of people use, but the orange one, orange, yellow, whatever, however you see it, I love this one. It does not leave my hair flaky, crusty, any of that. So that's the one that I prefer to use. Here you see me starting the Bantu knots. In the back, I did not do them as evenly as I did in the front, and that's okay. Especially if you're just going to be, sitting in the house or something like that. It does not have to be perfect. Now, if you're gonna be going outside, walking around, keeping them in, then that's another story. You want to do your sections evenly. So ladies, don't get discouraged. Everyone does their Bantu knots differently. You may do a different method than me, and that's okay as long as you get your desired look. Do not let anyone tell you, oh, you're doing it wrong or this and that. If they're going to be helpful and tell you an easier method, then okay. But other than that, it's really just basically twisting and rolling or rotating the hair around itself into a small knot, if you will. Here you'll see I grabbed another subsection. So I'm just twisting, and looping it around itself. Simple. Not a hard thing to do at all. I mean, for people that are just starting out, like doing their own hair, it might seem a little difficult, but don't get discouraged. You will get better at it. Practice makes perfect. So a little backstory, my hair is naturally curly. I know some of you can't tell from this video, but back in December, I did do a keratin treatment on my hair for the first time. So it's still growing out. The roots are very, very much back to its natural state. I already combed my hair before the video, but as curly haired people know, sometimes it gets a little bit knotty as you're going along with your hairstyle. So I had to use my wide tooth comb to just get through any little knots or nips along the way. Now, as I said before, most of the time this hairstyle is not a difficult one, so you pretty much get the gist of it. Twist and roll, twist and roll. It's very repetitive, and it can take a little while if you're doing it for the first time or the first few times. Regardless, you want to give yourself some form of entertainment, whether you're watching TV, you're listening to music. I pretty much always listen to music with a lot of things that I do, whether it's cleaning, doing my hair, taking a shower. I'm just a lover of music. So if you guys have noticed, I did not record the entire back of my hair because it's very repetitive, as I said before. So I just recorded some bits of the front so you guys can see that. Here's me still singing along to whatever's playing in the back. I love music just as much as I love hair. Anybody that knows me will see. And in future videos, you will see. Obviously, I don't want to play the music because I don't want to get copyrighted. But, I'm a big person on R&B. So that's mostly what I probably would be listening to right now. And I know you guys keep seeing me look up a lot, and that is because I have my mirror on the back of my door. So I keep looking at it back and forth just to make sure everything is looking okay in the front. So you'll see me look up a few times. And I also do know that my lighting is not looking so great right now, but if you guys continue watching, I will get better lighting. I promise you. If some of you may have noticed, I sectioned off my hair in a certain way, especially in the front, because I already knew what I wanted to do with my hair when I took the Bantu knots out. You do not have to do it like that, but if you already know how you want your hair to look at the end, then you can go ahead and section it to that desired look. So I just used 3 clear rubber bands in the front. I don't usually put rubber bands, but I did today. Here is the finished look. If you would like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel.